Hello, TikTok and YouTube. This is Leo with Rosales Super Tech. This is a video that I've been thinking whether to do it or not, because I don't like talking about any other business whatsoever. I would say small businesses because I'm a small business myself. Rosales Super Tech. We are also an electronic repair shop where we also have a retail store where we sell stuff that's within my passion, which is video games, video game consoles, PCs, laptops, of course. We don't have tablets, and it's not because I don't want to, it's just that we don't get very many. And when we do get some, they sell fairly quick. I think we may have one in stock at the moment, which we got an offer and I'm debating whether to accept or not, but that's not what this video is about. So a couple of days ago, Alex with NorthridgeFix made a video regards him being sued by a customer of his because of a graphics card that apparently was overlooked, I'm guessing during his move, and it was placed in I'm not sure what status it was placed under or what room it was placed under, but it was overlooked. But they found it, which is good for the customer. Reason why I'm making this video is because I don't know if you guys remember, but back in February, my kid went through something that we ended up having to go to the hospital February 9th. He was having seizures, and we were, of course, he was hospitalized for quite some time, and I was trying to play a role of still going into the shop, and trying to get repairs done, and trying to not let things go to my head because of our situation with my son. With that said, we received a laptop that's originally what they brought it in for was a screen replacement. However, it wasn't powering on. And the customer said, I just want it to get fixed. So I ordered a screen. We replaced the screen. We also ordered a replacement motherboard. And it turned on for about a bit, and then it just shut off and it wouldn't turn back on. Now, I do have the skill sets of potentially troubleshooting a no power issue on motherboards. But at the time, this was back in February, I didn't have the mindset to do it at all. I did not have the mindset to do any sort of diagnostics logically on the motherboard, to search for schematics because I didn't have it. I just didn't have the energy to do anything. So I was just doing like small, simple repairs that don't require any sort of thinking of any sorts. All right, my baby boy, we're at the park, y'all. He's currently walking and I'm pushing my son, the one that had been hospitalized. So what I ended up doing is, I've been a huge supporter of NorthridgeFix for a very, very, very long time. My little boy just decided to try to pedal the bike. So back in February, again, we received this laptop. I just couldn't get it repaired. I wasn't in the right mindset. I've been supporting by buying from his shop, which I still do. I buy his flux and several other things I've bought from his shop, NorthridgeFix. And I ended up sending him 2 laptops that I felt like at the time, again, I wasn't in the right mindset to get done. So I ended up sending 2 laptops. One of them was an Apple MacBook Pro. I think it was Apple MacBook Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch, and they sent it back saying that they couldn't repair that one, which with both repairs, by the way, I sent checks for expedite services. They cashed the expedite services fees for both laptops, or at least I feel like they cashed one. I don't know if they cashed the other one. I'd have to check my bank account, my business bank account, that is. But I sent checks for both for expedite services. This was back in February. I don't remember the exact date, but back in February they sent me a response saying they received it. I hadn't heard anything from them besides that they had received it. So a few months later, after that, I think it's been 2-3 months, maybe April, I believe, I sent via their ticketing system a request for update. And I believe that the person that he was saying usually responds to those, Dolly, responded saying that she was going to, and this is not verbatim, but basically that she's going to look into it and get back to me. And I think I replied with a thank you, or thank you, please keep me up to date, or thank you, or something along those lines. I didn't hear from them. I think a couple of weeks back, bear in mind we're already in July. Today is July 9th. So last week, I believe I sent, or the week before, I sent another request for an update. And that we've yet to hear from them. So I feel like the repair we sent them may have also fallen through the cracks, or they may have done something, because we've yet to hear from them. Oh, and I will say this as well. We placed an order for Flux, and then within their notes, we requested for an update in those notes, because I've tried calling them multiple times. There's no way of leaving them a voicemail. I've sent, the request through their ticketing system, requesting for an update with no success. So I don't know in what other way to get a hold of them. And I'm sorry if this is dark, y'all. I don't have a flashlight. I'm using my phone, and we're walking in the park. We hardly have any time, and the only time we get is usually around this time, where we could come out here and try to get some steps in, and try to get in shape, because I gotta tell you, I've gained way too much weight. But nevertheless, so I don't know of any other way to get a hold of them. So I'm choosing to go this route to try to get his attention, whether he sees this video. I don't know if he will see this video. Hope that he does. But basically, if you could look for a package that was sent from Rosales Supertech. I don't know what the ticket number is, because I am walking in the park. My name is Leo Rosales. You should have the last name Rosales somewhere on there. If you could reply back to my ticket. It could be one of those scenarios where I replied and it placed the ticket in the replied, as you mentioned. And we need to know an update for this ticket, because this customer has been emailing us asking for an update. And guess what? We can't provide it because we don't have an update. I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea if it's going to be repaired. I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. Again, I have no idea. So if you can, if you see this video, send me, well, I don't know what platform you'll see it, and I don't know if my contact's there, but if you see my email somewhere on there, send me an email, reply to the ticket, that's in there. I'm always monitoring my email, so I would receive it, and we go from there. Otherwise, thanks everyone. Peace. Y'all stay blessed. And we will see you on our next video. Just quick update as far as my son, if you haven't seen it. This is my baby boy Isaiah, and by the grace of God, he is doing a lot better. He's not 100%, but God is not done with his miracle. You want to say hi, Isaiah?
Hi.
Say, how is everyone doing? So that's him. He's not 100% like I mentioned, but by the grace of God, he is still with us, and we're going to be with my son through the entire time of his recovery. Again, thanks everyone. Peace. Y'all stay blessed, and we will see y'all in our next video.